Hi, welcome to Lesson 30, Part 3. We are on Good Morning Blues, which is on page 83. We are learning today some new chords that we might try. Well, we will try because this is the lesson, okay? So we have an E7. If you look carefully at your book, you're playing all 6 strings for this one. So if you remember an E, it looks like this. A simple E7, so that's an E. You can hear that. A simple E7 is you're lifting off that one, okay, traditional E, okay, or you could play an E and then add that D in there. So the 7th, if you remember, like if we go E to E is an 8 in 8th, so there's 8 notes between that and the scale. A 7th before that would be the D before, so that's why we're adding that D, which makes it a D, E7. Same chord, right? So holding it upright. I was thinking this is a little easier, just if your hands are tired or something, just do the open. I like the open sound in some ways. So we got another blues one. This one is a little bit different just because you could do it with like an E5. But when you get to the B7, how they typically do that one is you're going to need to bar it. So, I mean, if you wanted to do this with a 12 bar, so you see I'm kind of doing the same thing, but I have to cover that. So this is, we might try that for one of the takes on this. So, but for now, we'll just try it with the chords. And we'll add in the E7 and our B7 in there too, so, and A7. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. Good morning, blues. Blues, how do you do? Good morning, blues. Blues, how do you do? I'm doing all right. Good morning, how are you? Lay down last night, trying to take my rest. Lay down last night, trying to take my rest. My mind kept rambling like the wild goose in the west. Sun gonna shine on my back door someday. Sun gonna shine on my back door someday. The wind gonna rise up and blow my blues away. So, little, not quite the shuffle, but we'll try it with a shuffle here if you want to try that. Remember the B is, so remember it's just, remember you're having like that open string, but this time you have to. So let's try that. See how that goes. Okay, this is the advanced course. It's not written in the book. 1, 2, go. Good morning, blues. Blues, how do you do? Good morning, blues. Blues, how do you do? I'm doing it a little different from the book. I'm doing all right. Good morning. How are you? Try to do it more how the book says. Lay down last night, trying to take my rest. Lay down last night, trying to take my rest. My mind kept rambling like that wild goose in the west. The sun gonna shine on my back door someday. The sun gonna shine on my back door someday. The wind gonna rise up and blow my blues away. diddly at the end. Okay, how'd you do with that one, guys? Kind of fun. Blues is one of my favorite styles. So keep practicing that one, guys. Have some fun with it. Okay, play with that melody. Okay, thanks, guys.